Hello everyone, welcome to my channel techitechnions. All the new users click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get regular notification. In this video we are going to learn about box model margin. Margin is the space which is between one HTML element and other HTML element. For example, I am using to use the margin syntax for box 2. Either you can give just one value for all the four sides, or two values for top and bottom and then right and left, or four values for top, right, bottom and left. First I'm you going to use only one value. Save this. We got a 16 pixel margin. For box 3 I just want to give the top margin. Save this. I want to give top and bottom value and left and right value. You can see it here. And for the first one I want to give all the four values. Click on save. So this was all about margins. In the next video we are going to study about background. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon.